Hello farmers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share with you the natural treatments to use to treat bumblefoot in chickens naturally. I will also give you the procedure to prepare these natural treatments and how to handle the wounds caused by the disease. Bumblefoot is a painful bacterial disease that affects the under pad of the chicken's leg, causing severe pain and other signs that I am going to tell you in the next couple of minutes. But before we continue with this video, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who have subscribed to our YouTube channel, everyone who likes our videos for the way they educate them, and also for those that who share and watch all our videos that we post in this channel. Thank you so much, because now we are almost reaching 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and we are looking forward to create more content that is educative, and also we want to expand our social media outreach so that we can be able to connect more with the farmers, so that we can be able to solve the problems that you may get in the farm. Therefore, so that you cannot miss out on all these updates, kindly hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel. Also, make sure to hit that bell notification so that you can be notified every time that we post a video on this channel. Also, hit that like button if you get to learn from our videos. Bumblefoot occurs as a swelling on the chicken's under pad of the chicken leg, and the swelling has a black or dark brown spot at the middle. The swelling is due to localization of bacteria, which causes buildup of dead cells, therefore forming pus. Apart from the dark swelling, other signs to help you identify the disease in your chickens include chicken will be limping. There will also be the chicken will avoid stepping with the affected leg. There will be the raising of the affected leg, and also the chicken will be depressed, and also this may cause lameness. And the disease occurs when the leg of the chicken is injured, leading to a wound that allows the bacteria to cause infection. And the bacteria that is responsible for this infection is usually the staphylococcus. And the procedure to treat this bumblefoot naturally is quite simple, but if it's your first time, you may need to seek the assistance of a vet, at least for the first time. And because I have received complaints from farmers who are requesting that I should be writing down the procedures and the treatments that I mentioned in the videos, and due to this, here is a procedure on how you are going to carry out the procedure of treating this bumblefoot. Remember that the bacteria that causes this bumblefoot can also affect us humans. Therefore, it is advisable that you always wear a pair of gloves. After handling that part of the treatment, now you need to prepare a bumblefoot salve. A bumblefoot salve is an organic treatment made from organic or natural herbs, which is applied to the wound daily to help in quick recovery. To make this salve, you're going to need coconut oil, thyme and rosemary leaves, turmeric and cinnamon powder. And here is the procedure to make this bumblefoot salve. Now, after making this salve, you are going to be applying it to the wound each and every day, and wrapping the wound with a gauze. And this way, the chicken is going to recover faster. And as you make these organic or natural treatments for bumblefoot, I also recommend that you hit the video on your screen right now so that you can be able to know the natural treatments for coryza.